In this video, I'm going to show you what it takes to change the styles of multiple chart types at the same time. So in the previous videos, we looked at themes. If you apply a theme, so for example, if I chose one of these themes and applied it, it would apply to everything on my report. So if I had titles, it would apply to all charts on the report. Sometimes I create a report. In this case, I have multiple score charts. And then when I'm done, I realize I would prefer to have a different style for these score charts. Today, or previously before this release, you would have to go in and make the style updates for each of those. But now with the 2.0 release, what you do have is this ability to go into the style menu and apply to all charts of the same type. So let's look and see how that works. If I go in here, let's go ahead and just make some changes to this. Let's say I want to put the title at the bottom. And let's say I want to make it, a little bit bigger. Let's say I want to put a container around this. So let's add a background color. Let's make it gray. And let's put a dark color border. We'll leave the border radius there. Let's just see what we got. Okay, so as you can see, this looks a lot different than these others. And maybe I like this and I want to apply it to the other charts, specifically just the score charts. I don't want this background color and everything, the title moved to the bottom on this vertical bar chart. I only want to apply to these score charts so they all look similar. What I can do now is go into the chart that I like, go to style, and then I have this apply to all charts of the same type option. I'm going to go ahead and hit that button. Now it's going to ask you if you want to make sure you want to do this because you would overwrite any styles you may have added to those other score charts. I'm okay with that. So you can see right away, I get the nice box here with the container style across all of the scored charts. So again, there are some chart types like field selector scores that this happens quite often where you want to change one thing and you have many of them on a single report. So this should speed up that process of making those styles and then applying them across all those chart types. Can't wait to see what you create.